Distinguished guests of honor, Nana Chairperson, distinguished traditional leaders, Honorable Member of Parliament for Ellembelle, per his representative, the Honorable District Chief Executive, other guests seated here on the dais, religious leaders, fashion designers, trainers, young entrepreneurs, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good day to all of us. It is a great honor to join you as the special guest of honor for this important fashion design celebration, which is the first of its kind here in the Ellembelle district, bearing the theme From Ellembelle to the World. The theme for this celebration, From Ellembelle to the World, is powerful, timely, and inspiring. It reminds us that talent does not need to remain hidden in a small corner. It reminds us that a great designer can rise from Ellembelle and dress Ghana, Africa, and for that matter, the entire world. Fashion is not only about clothing, it is about identity, creativity, culture, confidence, and business. Every design made here in Ellembelle carries a story. Every fabric, every color, and every stitch can speak of our heritage, our discipline, and our vision for the future. Today, we are declaring that Ellembelle is not just a district. Ellembelle is a place of creativity. Ellembelle is a place of talent. Ellembelle is a place of possibilities. To our fashion designers and trainees, I'll encourage you to dream bigger. Do not limit your work to your community alone. Build your brand. Use social media. Take quality pictures of your designs. Package your work professionally. Register your various businesses. Learn customer care. Learn digital marketing. Let the world see what Ellembelle can produce. The global fashion industry rewards originality, quality, and consistency. Therefore, let our designers combine Ghanaian culture with modern creativity. Let us use our beautiful African fabrics to create designs that can appear on international stages, fashion shows, websites, and markets. To the young people here today, I wish to draw your attention to the fact that your talent is your seed of life. If you water it with discipline, training, and hard work, it will grow into a powerful future. A sewing machine, a needle, a sketchbook, and a creative mind can open doors across the world. I'll also commend the various trainers, organizers, and sponsors of this program, in particular the Center for National Culture, Ellembelle District. I'm grateful for this invitation. By supporting fashion design, you are not only supporting beauty, you are supporting employment, entrepreneurship, and economic development. Let us together make Ellembelle a recognized name in fashion. Let us move from local admiration to national recognition and international excellence. As I conclude, I charge every designer here, design with passion. Sew with excellence. You must brand with wisdom and dream without fear. May your creativity travel beyond Ellembelle. May your designs reach Ghana, Africa, and the world. May God bless Ellembelle District. May God bless the Western region. And may God bless our beloved Ghana. Thank you very much.